Hey guys, Gwen here with Intero Real Estate at Burlingame. Now here's the stats for single family homes in San Mateo for July. We're continuing to see a gentle shift away from a seller's market. The change is subtle, which proves that our housing demand is still strong despite all the events that's happening around the world and the economic uncertainty. Now stay tuned until the end to find out what the Federal Reserve did in July and how it affected our mortgage rates. So we got 76 new listings in July, and there were 48 single-family homes that sold for the month, which is actually up by 17% from 41 homes the month before. Now, median sales price showed an 11% decrease from $2,200,000 to $1,155,000 in July. Now, median days on market inched up to 12 days from 11 days in June. And average days on market also went up from 15 days to 17 days in July. Now we've had a consistent increase since March, and this is a sign that homes are selling a little bit longer, but still considered a seller's market. On average, sellers in San Mateo receive 5% over their asking price. Now this is actually a dip from the month before where sellers were getting 10% over their asking price. Now the drop in price received over asking will more than likely continue to drop as interest rates go up. The crazy overbids that we had where we were getting 5 to 7 offers and a few $100,000 over asking looks like it's behind us already. Now the median sales price in San Mateo decreased to $1,950,000 from $2,100,000 just from a year ago. Average sales price per square foot went up slightly from $1,210 to $1,240 per square foot just from last year. Now as of this morning, we have 85 active single-family homes on the market here in Foster City and 43 pending homes. We have a healthy number of listings available, so there's a lot of opportunities for our buyers that was not there just a few months ago. So if you have thoughts about making a move in this changing seller's market, sooner's better than later. As for interest rates, buyers standing on the sidelines have been waiting due to the rate hike and all the uncertainty. The recent Fed rate hike in July was at 0.75%. Now, this is the fourth increase that they've done within the last 5 months. And surprisingly, mortgage rates did the opposite from what a lot of people had expected. Mortgage rates actually dropped, and so as of this morning, the jumbo rate is at 4.875%. Now, it's a slight dip from last month, which was at around 5%. So lately, we've been seeing the mortgage interest rate hover between 4.875 to 5.25. So hopefully, we can stay at this level or slightly below to help our buyers. Our Bay Area real estate market is holding up very well with homes selling in a more normalized time frame. In July, we saw 16 withdrawals and cancellations, and months of inventory has actually decreased from 1.7 to 1.6 months, which means if there were no other new listings that ever came on the market, it would take approximately 1.6 months for all of the current active listings to sell on the market. Now, this creates more opportunities for our buyers compared to the beginning of the year, where there are only 0.8 months of inventory on the market. Remember, our Bay Area real estate market is closely tied to the stock market. And just recently, a number of our tech giants have announced layoffs. Companies like Meta, Twitter, Tesla, Netflix, and Oracle, just to name a few. But here in the Bay Area, we are very fortunate to have a lot of various thriving industries. So we feel very confident the supply that's coming to the market will be absorbed by the demand. Now, with the drop in mortgage rates, that also puts some of the buyers that was on the sidelines back into the game. And if the rates stay at the current levels, I'd suspect that our numbers will improve for the next month. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts on our current real estate market. Now, thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can catch my latest video. Check out this next video if you're considering making a move.